Mulani Training School South Africa plus 277315822436. Training and Skills Development Thai Limited License Renewal or Refresher Course Heavy Machines Training Courses College The School of Heavy Machinery Training and Welding Courses which take a short period of time at affordable prices. These equipment are used in the following fields below. Industrial and Harbor Equipment Training Course Academy. Mobile crane, tower crane, overhead crane, truck mounted crane, rigging, reach stacker, forklift, reach truck, telescopic boom handler. Construction Machines Training Institute plus 277315822436. TLB Excavator Tipper Truck Payloader Mining and Quarries Equipment Training Course Drill Rig LHD Scoop Bulldozer Road Making Equipment Training Course Grader Road Roller Bobcat Welder Course plus 277315822436. Boilermaker Colorado 2 Welding or MIG Welding, Argon Welding or TIG Welding, Double Coated Welding, Arc Welding or Stick Welding, Aluminum Welding or Steel Welding, Flux Core Welding. Short courses plus 277315822436. Occupational Health and Safety Plumbing, Hazchem Pipe Fitting, Electrical Installation, Fitting and Turning, Panel Beating, Scaffolding, Bricklaying, First Aid 1 to 2, Firefighting 1 to 2, Diesel Mechanics, Capentry, Superlink Driver Course, FAC CCTV.